I found these at the Dollar Tree for $1, and I thought they would make good makeup brush cleaners. I've never used any kind of pad like this of any kind to clean my brushes with, so I thought this might just be a good starter. I've already applied some like cleaner on it. Now I'm going to wet one of my brushes. And I'm sorry, I'm having to hold my phone and record. You can see how it has brought the color off. It's still a little on there. I need to rinse this. And these actually suction two things because it just stuck to the bottom of the bowl. See, it actually does suction. And I'm just using some little hand soap to clean my brushes. I don't have any brush cleaner at the moment. You can see that suds is not as dark as the first time I wiped the brush. It may not all come off, but it is a lot cleaner than it was. I did have orange Coastal Scents eyeshadow on this brush. Let me get a little bit more soap. Now this is the first white brush I've ever had, so I'm not for sure if they stain. They may not actually come completely clean. So here's the brush after it's washed. Just have to let that sit and dry. Let me see if I have another brush. Let's see, I think I've used this brush. So yeah, it has a little bit of eyeshadow on it. And so you can see that some of that color is coming off. Now I'm not for sure if the regular ones of these for the actual makeup brushes are as soft as this. This is not really firm or hard feeling. It's just like a soft kind of silicone. And this is the brush after it's washed. So yes, it did come clean. And then you just rinse it off. But as you can see it's got the little knobs here, and it's got little other, I can't get it to focus enough to see, but maybe there. Yeah, I thought it was a good deal. I mean, you get two for $1, and you could use one for your brushes and one for your face. It's facial scrubbers. Yeah, if you don't want to spend a lot of money on something to clean your brushes with, this would be something you could use until you found something better. But these seem to work nice for me, because I really didn't want to give $10, $15, $20 for something to wash my brushes with. But I mean, that's just me. Okay, I hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, just comment down below. But yes, I did purchase these at the Dollar Tree, and in the makeup section, like where the eyeshadow and all that is. So thank you for watching. Thanks.